Hi guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing of my Jeffree x Shane Dawson collaboration. I was able to get a hold of a couple items on launch day, which I am so excited about, and so I wanted to film a first impressions and unboxing video for you guys. So I've got my package right down here, and I am so excited to show you what I got, and I am really excited to see the products like actually in person, because if you haven't been watching the series, it is such a good series that they have put on for us. And so I'm really excited after watching these few episodes of them creating things. It's just really cool to now have it all like in person and be able to see the hard work that they've put into this. So if you guys want to see what all I was able to get, then just keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so I've got my package right here. It hasn't even been opened yet, so I'm going to take my pocket knife and I'm going to cut it open. I wanted to make sure I didn't cut it open yet so that I can get like the whole reaction of everything, so I'm super excited. But the launch day, you guys, was crazy. I don't know if anybody else was able to get a hold of a lot. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you were able to get a hold of some of the stuff, because the whole website crashed and everything, so it was crazy. I was able to get mine off of Morphe, so that was how I was able to get what I got. And Morphe ended up totally working for me, which was awesome. So I was really hoping to get my hands on part of the like the mini palette, and I unfortunately wasn't able to get that, but it's okay. So, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's a lot of bubble wrap though. I love bubble wrap though. So, okay, I'll just leave that bubble wrap in there. Okay guys, so let's see, I'm first going to start off, let's start off with the mirror. Yeah, let's start off with the mirror. Okay, so this is the packaging that the mirror comes in. I was able to get the black pig mirror, and I haven't ever gotten a mirror from Jeffree before, and so I was so excited when they were doing a cool like pig mirror, because I just thought it looked awesome. Oh, it's so cool. So that's what it looks like. It's so cool. So this is the pig mirror. I don't know how well you guys can see that because of the lighting, but it's so cool. That whole thing is a huge mirror, and it's so cool. Okay guys, now moving on to the next thing that I got, and the last product that I was able to get, the Big Conspiracy palette. I am so excited. Look how gorgeous that unicarton is. It is so cool, and it's textured like it's kind of raised, the text, which is so cool. So now I'm just going to take the little sticker that was on here off, and then it just slides open. So let's see. Oh, it's so cool. I love it. So it slides open, and then it pulls out and looks like this. Guys, this is the absolute like coolest packaging ever. I love the little details that they have. If you look over right here, they have the Shane Dawson, and then up here they have the Jeffree Star logo. That packaging is just gorgeous. It is so pretty, and I think there's also a peel on this. I thought I saw some people being able to peel like a plastic covering off, but maybe not. I'm not sure. Anyways, the cool thing about this is they did it in like a trunk. Will you get me my blood sugar palette? I actually have one of his palettes already, and it's the blood sugar palette, and I love this palette so much, and it's really cool because it's also in a trunk form as well. I'll hurry and show the blood sugar palette off just because I don't think I ever have. So I love how it comes in like the trunk form, and then that's the palette right here. I love this blood sugar palette. It's definitely one of my favorites, especially because of the packaging that it comes in. But I love the way that they did this packaging. It is really cool and custom, and I also really like the black clasps on each side. So now let's go ahead and open it up. So this is what the palette looks like. That looks so, so cool. It looks even prettier in person. I mean, it's crazy. It is like absolutely gorgeous. I love the details of the pan, like imprints and things in all the pans. Really cool colors. I'll do a close-up video for you guys here in a second, so that you guys can see. But one thing that will peel off is that. And the mirror is so cool, you guys. It's a really big mirror, and they also have the logos on each side. Really, really cool packaging, and the colors, I mean, are just gorgeous. It's so pretty. There's so much detail and attention to everything, and so it's really cool. I'll do a couple of swatches. I don't like to usually do swatches just because it's kind of different, but I'm gonna do a few swatches for you guys so that you can see. I'll try to pick some good ones to swatch. I want to do the pigment one. It's the pig. So that's what it looks like, just going over it just once. I hate ruining the pan though, it's sad. But, so that is what pigment looks like. It's very pretty, and the color payoff is really pretty in the swatch. And then another one I really want to do is, let's do sleep paralysis. This was one that they created kind of like, I think, last minute, and I love the formula of his eyeshadows. They're so buttery and pigmented. So now I'll do that one on the side. Very, very beautiful color. I love that color so much. It's very pretty, and the pigment is just gorgeous. So let me know if you guys want me to do like more swatches, and in a later video I'll include more swatches of it. But I mean, it's just gorgeous. Like, I love it so much. So anyways, that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoyed seeing what I was able to get. I am so excited that I was able to get my hands on it, especially because everything was completely sold out like minutes when it launched. So I was really, really lucky to be able to get some stuff. And so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!